questions? Okay, so here is the question, and I want you guys to read it very carefully. So here it is saying that at a fete is a kind of a, fair or sort of thing. Cards bearing 1 to 1,000. So there are number cards. Okay, one on each card. So there is one number on the one card, and that is not repeated, as they are not saying. So we can't assume it कि कोई card repeat हो रहा है. So there are total number of cards are
1,000
number of
cards.
outcomes. That's right. So total number of outcomes are basically total number of outcomes is 1,000. Let's read further. Each player selects one card at random, okay, and that card is not replaced. And that card is not replaced. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है किसी और के साथ replaced हो रहा है. You will understand if you'll read it little further. If the selected card bears a number, जो भी हमने एक कार्ड जो निकाला है उसके ऊपर जो भी नंबर है, which is a perfect square number greater than 500. 500 से greater number होना चाहिए वो perfect square का, and the player will win the prize. अगर उसका 500 से ज्यादा का perfect square number वाला कार्ड आ जाता है तो वो winner हो जाता है, उसको एक prize मिल जाता है. What is the probability that the first player wins a prize? क्या probability है कि first player win कर जाए? And also, what is the probability that the second player wins a prize if the first has already won? So, दूसरे
Yes,
वाले
ma'am.
की क्या होगा?
I got this question.
So, first of all, without wasting much time, let's find out the perfect square numbers greater than 500. How much?
Greater than 500.
I know 20 into 20
is equal to 400.
400, which is less than 500. Now 21 ka square,
21
into
square.
21, 441, which is again less than 500. 22 ka bhi square kar lete hain, ma'am. That is 484. Again, that is less than 500, ma'am. So let's do then 23 square, which is 529. Then 24 square, which is 576. Then 25 square, that is
625.
Then 26 square, that is 676. Then 27 square, that is 729.
Ma'am, and it
Then
will go up
28 square.
Up till 1000.
Then, all right, to 28 square is what? 784. Then 29 square, 9 ends are 81, 361. Then 30 square, that's, oh, not 361, it's 961. Okay, let me do this. That is 961, 861. Okay, 930 square, that is 900. 31 square. What is 31 square? We can do that. This is, I think so, 961 this time.
991.
Are you sure?
961.
961. Then 32 square, 1024. So, लेकिन 1024 तो हम ले ही नहीं सकते ना? Why? Why we can't take 1024?
Only 1000
because
number of cards are there.
1000 तक के तो नंबर है. So 1000 तक के नंबर है तो हम 32 का स्क्वायर नहीं ले सकते. This is 841. All right. Now, अब क्वेश्चन को अगर हम रीड करें, हमें निकालना क्या है? हमें निकालना है probability of the first player.
Ma'am, this was the sample space.
This was the sample space. This all numbers are the sample space from which we have to select. So the first player wins the prize. Prize win कर जाएगा वो. सबसे पहले तो अगर हम ये देखें कौन से वाले ऑप्शंस जो हैं हमारे लिए सुटेबल है, क्योंकि ग्रेटर देन 500 कितने आए हैं हमारे. These are the favorable options only, no? This is the sample space तो हमारा सची आस्था, that is going to be your 1 till 1000.
Excuse me, ma'am.
All the numbers are the sample space that comes under the category. These are the favorable one which comes under for winning the prize.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I ask you something in this question.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm a bit confused, ma'am. Why aren't you taking the square of the numbers after 31? Ma'am, because the
Babu,
number.
because 32 square is 1024 and the numbers bearing cards, the cards having number is 1 to 1000.
लेकिन मैम यहाँ पे तो मतलब कि हम लोग मैम नंबर्स का स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं बट मैम इसमें 1000 कार्ड्स हैं तो
No. You are taking it wrong little bit, Satakshi. हमारे पास 1000 कार्ड्स हैं. कितने कार्ड्स हैं हमारे पास? 1000
कार्ड्स.
राइट. हर कार्ड पे एक नंबर लिखा है 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on till 1000. राइट. लेकिन हमें कौन से वाले कार्ड्स निकालने हैं टू विन द प्राइज? ग्रेटर देन 500. फर्स्ट कंडीशन. सेकेंड कंडीशन, इट हैज टू बी अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर होना चाहिए. ये दूसरी कंडीशन है. पहली कंडीशन 500 से बड़े होने चाहिए. भाई 500 से बड़े कार्ड्स तो 501 से ले लो अंटिल 1000 तक मैम सारे ही 500 से बड़े हैं. लेकिन दे आर नॉट सेइंग दैट. दे आर सेइंग कि वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर भी होना चाहिए. राइट. सो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर के लिए मैंने क्या देखा कि 5, अब मैं अगर ऐसे देखूंगी 501 किसी का परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, 502, 503, ऐसे तो बेटा हो जाएगा टाइम बहुत ज्यादा. दैट इज गोइंग टू वेस्ट माय टाइम इन द एग्जाम. सो व्हाट आई डिड, आई नो 20 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है, दैट इज 400. वो नहीं होगा. 21 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है, 441. 22 का क्या होता है, 484. So this how then I know 23 square is 529. So 529 is greater than 500 also. And this is the one which I have to consider for the player who wins the prize. So यानी कि कार्ड, कोई भी प्लेयर जिसका कार्ड ये नंबर्स का आ जाएगा वो प्राइज वन कर जाएगा. So ये कितने कार्ड्स हैं बेसिकली? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 जो है वो फेवरेबल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स है और टोटल आउटकम्स हमारे कितने हैं? 1000. दैट्स राइट. सो ये हो गया हमारा फर्स्ट केस की प्रोबेबिलिटी. लेकिन जब हमें सेकंड केस के लिए निकालना है तो हमें क्या कह रहे हैं? फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द सेकंड प्लेयर विंस अ प्राइज इफ द फर्स्ट हैज ऑलरेडी वन. ऑब्वियसली हर एक बंदे के कार्ड पे एक ही नंबर लिखा है. सो अगर सपोज लो मेरा 529 आ गया और मैं 1 कर गई, सो दूसरा भी आया, ओ आई ऑल्सो गॉट 576 और मे बी 729. सो नाउ अब उसके लिए कितने
कार्ड कम हो गया मैम?
एग्जैक्टली एक कार्ड कम हो गया. नाउ सेकंड प्लेयर विंस अ प्राइज के लिए क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी हो गई?
9 upon
8 by 1000.
8 by 999.
8 by 999.
8 by 999. बिकॉज एक कार्ड तो खत्म हो गया ना. दैट हैज बीन नाउ रिप्लेस्ड. नाउ खत्म हो गया उसकी विनिंग प्राइसिंग. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मेरे पास भी 529 है तुम्हारे पास भी 529. दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. राइट. सो each card has one number. So this is already over, let's say. So then we are left with 8 options. So 8 is the number of favorable outcomes and the total number of outcomes becomes 999 because the one is already out from the game. एक का तो आ गया first winner, right? Then the probability will get reduced for the second one. Okay. So I hope this is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन कुछ और डिस्कस
Ma'am, like in this question, ma'am, ma'am, is it
Okay.
necessary to ma'am take out sample space, ma'am, of every of the?
For this case, you even if you'll not write the sample space, that's
No, ma'am,
perfectly
लेकिन
fine.
ma'am sample space तभी तो ma'am पता होना चाहिए कि ma'am कितने numbers है. तो ma'am it's
For this, तो you definitely you will write it. ये 1 2 3 till 1000 तक नहीं भी लिखोगे, that is perfectly fine. उसका कोई चीज नहीं है. लेकिन टीचर वो डेफिनेटली आस्क कि कौन से ऐसे फेवरेबल परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर्स थे which you guys have considered.
Ma'am, can't we use AP here?
AP is only be calculated where the common difference is same.
Yes.
When the common difference is not same, you can't find AP in. Right? If you look at this, you just take the smaller one, Satakshi. हमें perfect square 1 होता है, फिर second perfect square होता है 4, third perfect square number होता है 9, and then fourth perfect square number होता है 16. होता है ना? इसका जरा difference करना. 4 minus 1 3, 9 minus 4 5, 16 minus 9 7. Are we getting the same common difference?
No, ma'am.
No. So we can't apply AP in this case. We can only apply where the common difference between the consecutive numbers is same.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right, so here I go to the next one. Again, sometimes a question like this also being asked. A bag contain 8 green balls, some yellow balls. So I don't know how many yellow balls. And the probability of drawing a yellow ball is 3 times the probability of drawing a green ball. Find the numbers of yellow balls in the
Ma'am,
bag.
it would be 24.
So let the number of, let's see, let the number of yellow balls be X. How do we do that? X. And number of green balls, how many? Green balls are
8.
8. So total outcomes, therefore, total number of outcomes will be what?
8
Total
plus
number
X.
of outcomes will be X plus 8. That's perfectly right. Now, according to the question, if we'll read, they are saying that probability of drawing a yellow ball
Is 3 times of X.
is 3 times the probability of drawing a green ball. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we know the formula remains the same. That is favorable outcome upon total number of outcomes. What are the favorable outcomes for the cases of yellow ball? X into
X.
total outcome
X plus
plus
8.
equals to 3 times means 3 multiplied by green ball की कितनी है? Total outcomes so ma'am X plus 8 ही है, but the probability of drawing a green ball is 8. So here you can cancel this with this. So X equals to 24. That's right, Satakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Is that clear?
Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
directly put the value of X is equal to thrice 3 into 8?
What did you say, Naman?
But we need to show the working.
You need to show the working. Moreover, if it is an MCQ, definitely you can do it because you know that the total outcomes are going to be same for both the cases and you just only have to do thrice.
It is written that the yellow ball is 3 times of green ball. So
It is saying the probability of drawing, not only the yellow ball is 3 times the green balls. The probability, it is by chance that you are getting this kind of a statement and you are getting the answer also directly that 3 into 8 is 24. But yes, you have to show the working and you have to show the probability. Direct दिखा नहीं सकते हम, नमन. ये तो probability कहाँ गई? Favorable outcome, number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcomes. वो तो गायब हो गया ना, फिर टीचर भी गायब कर देगी थोड़े से नंबर हमारे, तो हमें दिखाना पड़ेगा. You have to show. हाँ, definitely MCQ आया, you can do it. Okay, so I'll move on to the next one. बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन है, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, बट कई बार बच्चों को ना वोवल्स नहीं पता होते और कॉन्सोनेंट्स भी नहीं पता होते. वैसे I think so you guys know what are vowels,
Yes,
by the way?
Ma'am, vowels are A, E, I, O, U.
Okay, and consonants are the alphabets other than
Yes,
vowel.
ma'am.
So in English,
Ma'am, total
alphabet,
5 vowels and 26.
26 are the total number of alphabets.
Yes,
and
ma'am,
out of
total
which
number of
5 are
alphabets.
vowels
Yes,
and
ma'am.
21
That's
are
what I was
consonants. So here, but we have to consider there is a word, a letter is chosen from this letters
So-
of the word association. इसके अंदर हमें बतानी है probability of getting a vowel basically. So उससे पहले just let me know how many total number of outcomes are there. Total number of
11.
outcomes. Sure?
11.
All right. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. Yes, that's right. Good.
It would be 11.
Now,
And
in the first case, what are the favorable outcomes, by the way?
6 by 11.
5 by 11.
One is this
6
vowel, 2, then 3, 4, 5, and 6. So yes, 6 are the number
6.
of favorable outcomes. So 6
6
by
upon
11. And in the second case, the probability of getting a consonants is going to be then what?
5 by 11.
5 by 11.
5 by
That's
11.
right. So here then 5 by 11 because जो बाकी के remaining वाले alphabets रह गए, those are the consonants. So ठीक है, ये मतलब मुझे बस यही चेक करना था कि consonants और vowels पता है ना, कहीं उस चीज में गड़बड़ी ना हो जाए. All right then, good. अब ऐसे numbers वाले questions भी आते हैं, so इनको भी एक बार पढ़ लेते हैं. They are saying a box contain 90 discs. How many discs? 90 discs
90.
which are numbered 1 to 90. मतलब एक के ऊपर एक लिखा हुआ है. If the one disc is drawn at random from the box, यानी कि जो 90 डिस्क है, हर नंबर पे, हर डिस्क पे एक एक नंबर लिखा हुआ है 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 90, और उसमें से हमने एक डिस्क निकाल ली है at random from the box. Find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number. 2-digit number bear करता हो. तो क्या
81
होगी
by
probability? What do you think?
90.
Total
81
outcomes तो हमारे
Ma'am, first 2-digit number would be 10, then it goes on. So, ma'am, total number of outcomes would be 90 and
10 upon में 89.
no, I was saying something else. I was saying the first 2-digit number.
2-digit number starts from 10
10,
till
yes.
90, not 89, till 90. So that means it is only 1 till 9, which is not a 2-digit number, right? Because
Yes,
the
ma'am.
cards
Ma'am, we
from-
will
so
subtract.
यानी कि- yes. So in this
would
case,
be
the
80.
favorable outcome will be what?
89 upon में 89.
91 90 numbers में से अगर हम 2-digit
Yeah.
number 9 हटा दे तो 81
81.
will left. So 81 by 90. So 9 9s are and 9 10s are. So 9 by 10 is going to be the probability of
Ma'am,
putting.
मैम 90 नीचे कैसे आ सकता है? हमने तो एक डिस्क निकाल लिया ना.
No, तो total outcomes तो 90 है, तब तक options तो यहाँ पे 90 है नित्या. हमने options वही change कर दिया, यहाँ पे total outcome 90. I have 90 cards. 90
Yes,
disc,
ma'am.
let's say, right? उसमें
Okay,
से
ma'am.
एक अभी निकाला है, अभी दूसरे की तो बात ही नहीं करी है. And it is not written here in this question कि वो कुछ replaced हो गया है, ऐसा कुछ भी option ऐसा given नहीं है. तो अगर ऐसा कुछ भी option given नहीं होगा, so you can't assume it कि मैं number अपने आप कम कर दूं. There will be some hint given in the question when you have to subtract. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So second case में क्या कह रहे हैं? Getting up a perfect square number. चलो जल्दी से बताओ भाई perfect square number. Getting a perfect square number. So perfect square number बताओ कौन से होते हैं? Well, there are total number of outcomes यहाँ पे 90 रहेंगे.
90.
1, ठीक है, 4,
4, 9, 16,
25, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64 and 9 9s are 81.
81.
10 10s are 100 ज्यादा हो जाएगा, वो मैं ले नहीं सकती. क्यों? क्योंकि मेरे तो मैम कार्ड्स 90 तक ही हैं. This card here 90 तक. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 by 90, that means 1 by 10 is the probability. Now what is going to be the probability for the third case? A number divisible by 5. 5 से divisible निकालना है. So
yes, ma'am.
18 by
5 से
90.
18 by 19. So 18 by 19, 9 2s are, 9 10s are. Now ये 18 by 19 जो है ना हमारा
Five.
बहुत ही आसानी से निकल गया है. Who would love to answer this? How come?
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
will divide 90 by
Ma'am, 2
5.
or 10 was also divisible, na?
Yes, yes. 2 1s are, 2 5s are, so 1 by 5. All right.
190.
Yes, Naman, you were saying something. Naman, no?
90 divided by 5. So we
90 divided by 5. So you got number of numbers. That's right. So here is 18 by then 90 are the 18 numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 5. Fine. So here I go to the next question.